With the increased use of electronic devices in our daily lives, the suppression and control of electronic noise is more critical than ever. EMI cores are one of the most effective methods of mitigating electronic noise. EMI cores are suppression devices that are attached to power and signal cables to minimize or eliminate radiated emissions. EMI cores come in variable shapes and dimensions that can be categorized in two main families: ring type or clamp type. The materials are capable of low frequency and high frequency noise suppression. One of our earlier ferrite material series, by reaching 10,000 μ, had the highest permeability at the time. Since then, we have overcome challenges that were previously thought to be impossible to overcome and created a new high permeability material, the S15H, reaching 13,500 μ. This new material is also used in our other products. The noise countermeasure using conventional manganese-zinc ferrite core was effective in the range of 300 to 500 kHz band. The CISPR standard requires that noise attenuation begins at 150 kHz. At that time, we used metallic-type EMI core for these lower frequencies. The S15H material was designed to improve overall performance, but also specifically at the 150 kHz point. The more, S15H is 20% to 25% more cost-effective. Responding to customer needs and requirements, KEMET further developed and expanded the lineup by adding variations, as for example with high heat resistance case or with cover for fixing. We currently have 4 large board types, each available bare or coated. These were initially used and appreciated by major air conditioner manufacturers. Now the customer's satisfaction spreads out in many other various applications. EMI cores work for home appliances, industrial equipment, energy and environment-related devices. You can rely on its high efficiency,